Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Zacconi espresso machine. Specifically, we're looking for a leak that the customer reported from the group head. We put a finer grind in today and just to push it extra hard and see what happens. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and lift it. Push down. I see just this very tiny leak right here. When I push down really hard. But I do notice that it only happens if I try to push the group head really hard. If I go slower, it's not happening. But if I go up and I just push as hard as I can, then you do get a slight leak here. Alright, thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee, and have a good day.